Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the G case for 2026 of Matchbox. So we're going to crack this open for you and we'll take a look at the new stuff from the G case. Alright guys, let's take a look at what's in here. They're in there tight. They're in tight. So, new color on the skid steer. That's a new one. Oh yeah, it says new for 26. There's GMC Sierra Wrecker. That's a cool little tow truck. That one was from a previous case, the Matchbox 4x4 Beetle. And this was from last case as well, the ZL1 in a matte black. That's a super good looking casting. Ooh, that's one of the highlights for this G case, guys. Check out the green Shelby 427 Cobra in a super nice color. Brown interior, green, classic color combo. I think it says 427. Yep, Cobra 427 on it. So that is one of the nice new ones for the G case. And is this my favorite of the set? I think it might be. This is why I had to get this one, guys. This 74 Ford F100. Look at that. Little lift kit on it. Red and white. The bed's even a different color. I don't know, did they do wood beds in the 70s still? That's what they're kind of going after with that color combo. 74 Ford, digging it. Definitely digging that guy. So that's probably the highlight for me so far. And what's next? Ooh, we got two of those, that's nice. Super nice that we got two of that one. Two of the Cobra as well. At least we're getting two doubles of the good stuff. Not good stuff. The Opel Astra. Not too excited about that one. Little Mercedes-Benz Sprinter ambulance. And the Blaze Blaster fire truck. What we got here? The F-350 truck. It's interesting. Coming in strong with the trucks in this case. This one's from last case, the 230 SL in blue. Sold this quite a bit in the white when it came out last year as a keychain, but the blue hasn't done as well so far. It's all about the casting and the colors, guys. So that is a wild colored K1500 Chevy pickup. That was from last case as well. A Citroen. We're getting a few that are not the greatest. At least for me anyway. Ooh, what is that? The 68 Mustang in gold and black trim, guys. That looks good. So earlier this year they had this in like a lighter blue color, but it actually looks really good in that gold color. Digging that one. That's a previous case one, McLaren F1. It's actually a super cool Matchbox casting. All right. This was last case as well, but we'll take some more of that 4Runner. I sold out of that already, actually. So we needed to restock. Nice 2019 version of the 4Runner. Kind of off-roaded. Matchbox Superlift Jeep. I think they've had this in different colors. First time in that black color scheme, though. Another McLaren. And this one was from last case as well. The 69 Camaro, that white and orange. That is a bright orange interior on that guy. Still a decent looking car though. That's a different looking fire rescue vehicle there. I haven't seen that one. Last case as well here on the 23 Chevy Tahoe in a good color. Like that one. And finishing it out, another one from last case. The 2002 Mazda in silverish gray color. Sold a few of those as keychains already as well, so good casting on this one. I like it. All right, guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the G-Case Matchbox 2026 cars here. There wasn't a crazy amount of new stuff, at least stuff that I was interested in this case. Specifically, this Ford pickup, the Cobra, and that gold Mustang are probably my favorites from the case. This is first time seeing this one as well. There might have been a couple of others like that fire truck maybe that are new for this case. But a lot of stuff from the old case and some stuff that doesn't really pique my interest. But let me know what your favorite is of this set, guys. And please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.